no cresse aban o mutwa mu yi baby o maye road sesi a per omo data na records o ma present no obia ni ho a waba aban mu abeye bi sa che omo.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. One of the sectors that Nana Akufo-Addo's government will be remembered for is the road sector. Because NPP, we have always been pace setters, but for this very one, we know that no other government has ever done roads to the magnitude of Akufo-Addo's government. And that shows with 12,000 kilometers plus of road that has been done just in 8 years. Unbeatable. The closest our allies came close to is around 4,000 kilometers. So we actually almost tripled what our allies have done. Now, that is knowledge and that is something we all know. But whilst we were going to campaigning, it looked as though this was only being seen or could only be testified about by people in the NPP. Now, after election, after NPP has lost, people are coming out. In fact, industry players are now coming out to say, Akufo-Addo has really done well when it came to road. So where were these industry players all the time that the campaign time when NDC was saying they cannot see the road? Where were they? You see? I see in Sembi wo etwimu anasa kan kasa mo I see. Say one kae mi asrea, we kae mi esu. Yes sir. Because now Akufo-Addo is no longer the president. And we know the country is going through reset. Reset means that take us back to factory default settings. And so now people are coming out to now see that Akufo-Addo was good. Ghana, this nation, because we all knew, as I said, even when it came to contracts in the road sector, the kind of due diligence Akufo-Addo's government did to road sector contracts. When NPP were coming to power, they had already given out the Pokwasi interchange contract. NPP can realize that that contract was inflated. And even a design that they had done was not a proper design even to give value for money. NPP was able to renegotiate an extra overpass, an extra stage, in the same contract that NDC had signed at no extra cost to the government. In fact, at a reduced cost. That is what NPP did. NPP was able to build 3 interchanges, and both of the prices combined was lower than the price of was lower than the price of cycle interchange alone. NPP. And NPP. And if I say NPP crowd, then it means I want to add Ajikun Kufuor. The government of Nana Akufo-Addo constructed more interchanges than any other government in the history of Ghana. More interchanges. About 5 interchanges. Tamale, Pokwasi, Tadi, Flower Pot, and I think Nugwad side interchange. There's one other one that has escaped me. All this done in just 8 years. And when it comes to the number of roads, one of the longest road ever constructed, Tamale to Tatale in the north. Smooth road. When you come to the eastern corridor, Asikuma, Hohwe, Jasikai Road, Jasikai, KJB Road.
No cresse aban o mutwa mu yi baby o maye road sesi a per omo data na records o ma present no obia ni ho a waba aban mu abeye bi sa che omo. So then what is left?
Yeah, when nyamini ni penim aban atwem no o ma fam de say I can't say o ma anye bibi na o ma anye we and in fact we've been a big lies. And therefore, yes, Omapenyi Dada Akufado, I man say Nana Akufado, Baso, because I enough MDA, they bring no council by year of road. You're betting me I know I. Now, so most of times, figures are more throw out, at times, it's questionable and it's debatable.
Up to on to Nkwanta, those ways. Done. Soccer there to hold dual carriage. Done. Many roads you can name. Dualization has started was underway from Adenta to Dodowa. When you go from Atomic Junction towards Hacho, dualization had kick-started. City inner roads all over. Mention one town, one district that has not seen the effect of Akufado's governance when it came to roads. Not even one. You go to Hawkway, the inner roads of Hawkway asphalted. Places that had not seen a street light before now have street light. The amount of investment Akufado has done in the road sector, unprecedented. I know Kumasi, many roads were done. Last time I was the road in front of Yaya Santua Girls. There used to be traffic there. Done. All over. But the industry players were quiet. And it was as though Akufado's government wasn't doing anything. Wasn't doing anything. People were quiet. They allowed NDC to run their propaganda. That, the loans that are coming in, nothing to show for. Meanwhile, drivers who were using the roads knew that Akufado was doing so well when it came to roads. A lot of the drivers, especially those people who go on long journeys, they were testifying. But they didn't have voice. The media wouldn't interview those people. They would rather interview the people who have the negative news. The people who keep singing the chorus. Government is not doing anything, or Akufado is not doing anything. They are sleeping on the job and all. They are the people the media would rather interview because that's the news that sells. We've built a nation in which negative news sells more than the truth. Now you are coming out to say Akufado has done well when it comes to road. Hey, CEO. Where were you, CEO? In the heat of campaign, September to December, where were you? You couldn't grant interview at that time. Now that reset is here. But you see, the people know what Akufado has done. And that is a marking scheme they are going to hold John Mohammed's administration by. If Akufado has done 12,000 kilometers in 8 years, then at least John Mahama can do 6,000, half of that in 4 years. If he doesn't do up to 6,000 in 4 years, trust us, we will be here. We will be right here to remind them of their incompetence. We already know they are incompetent, but we'll be here to remind them of it. Because you people ran a campaign based on lies and made sure that through lies you have taken over this nation again. But unlike before, this time around, you will not be able to gag us. We will ensure that we keep you by the high standards of Akufado Bawumia government. This has been the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. See you in the next one.